YAMATIC engine, professional power, perfectly delivered. Unleash unmatched cleaning force, exceptional efficiency, and rugged durability built to withstand the toughest job sites. Our rubber hoses offer superior durability with a non-marking design, delivering powerful cleaning without damaging surfaces. Tired of stiff, hard-to-handle hoses? YAMATIC's lightweight PVC hose moves as smoothly as water, easily maneuvering around obstacles. Despite its flexibility, it's tough enough to withstand daily professional use. It's a hose that moves with you. Experience upgraded comfort. The Easy Trigger Gun reduces trigger force by 50%, minimizing fatigue. Our Pro-Line handles pressure beyond 5,000 psi with ease. Take your cleaning to the next level with our most powerful accessories. Foam Cannon sprays thick, clinging foam for deep cleaning. Turbo Nozzle blasts away stubborn dirt in seconds. Surface Cleaner cleans up to 3x faster than standard nozzles. And when the job's done, YAMATIC shines in the garden too. Our innovative garden hoses feature 360-degree rotating swivel fittings to prevent kinks and tangles. Made with ultra-flexible zero-memory material, they coil smoothly every time. YAMATIC. Power your way.